You get asked all the time, what type of injections do you do at the West Clinic? And the answer is almost all of them are a regenerative injection type therapy, like Prolozone, which is a proliferative therapy using oxidative medicine. We do Prolotherapy, which is a proliferative therapy using a special type of sugar molecule. We do platelet-rich plasma injections, or PRP injections, where we're taking some blood, we spin it down, we pull off the platelets, we mix that with a vitamin solution and inject it to the area that hurts. We do exosome injections, which are basically a precursor of stem cells. And then of course we do stem cell injections. Now, why we pick the different things is literally how the patient is responding. And then we also are working on feeding those injections from the inside out, whether it's nutritional therapy, whether it's vitamin infusion treatments or protomorphogen, biopeptide regulators, or injectable peptides. So that's a mouthful. Let me kind of break it down. We love to help people to heal. How we do that is through regenerative injection therapy, and there's about 6 or 7 different types of regenerative injection therapy that go on top of that. My favorite one is using the Prolozone therapy, which is helping ligaments and tendons and muscles and joints to heal, followed by neural therapy, which is a way to get the nerves to open, to close, and to reset, and then putting in special types of cells into the body, primarily stem cells and exosome therapy. So there's a whole bunch of different types of injection therapy that are available here at the clinic, and the way we decide which injection therapy is the right one for you is we actually create a team. You and our medical team will sit together and we'll literally figure it out. What is the right appropriate therapy? What have you researched? What have you tried in the past? What is going to help? What is going to get you off center? And then most importantly, and this is one of the biggest reasons why we get such good outcomes, even when people have done some type of injection therapy somewhere else, is we're prepping the terrain. We're helping the body to have all the building blocks, the vitamins, the minerals, put fats in there to help with the nerves, put in collagens, peptides, biopeptide regulators, and protomorphogen therapy. That's literally how you're prepping the soil, so when you do the injection therapy, you get such good outcomes. And those are the different types of injection therapies available at the West Clinic.